Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used 2022 model Peugeot 208 Active Premium that does come complemented in the stunning yet vibrant Faro yellow paintwork. It does house your 1.5 diesel engine and manual transmission, making it the ideal stylish upgrade for those covering extra miles. Top features do include your LED headlights with your distinctive tooth design, 16-inch alloy wheels and further protection with your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot area offers a 311 litre capacity, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with your fitted ISOFIX points. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your central touch display and again your cloth trim with your contrasting orange stitching. And to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel with your options to navigate around your cockpit display, with the added bonus of your cruise control and limiter. Moving across, you do have your Bluetooth connection that does come compatible with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, alongside a wide selection of radio stations to keep you well entertained, with your iPod and USB connectivity as well. Alongside your on-screen driving functions, you do also have your climate controls for a desired temperature and all of your general settings, followed below by your piano black gloss keys containing various driving functions and a small storage pocket and power outlets with your cup holder in the centre. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.